Today, your angels have a very special message for you. Something is about to happen, something you might not have been expecting, but it could completely change the course of your life. Have you ever had that feeling when suddenly someone from your past or someone you barely know reappears in your life? It seems like the universe conspires to make certain encounters happen, and often, these encounters are not by chance. There is a person, a presence that will soon emerge, and how you react to this arrival could transform everything. This person, whom you didn't expect to see so soon or perhaps never again, carries emotions, feelings, and intentions that could change how you perceive certain situations. What's coming is intense and demands a response from your heart. It's as if the universe has been preparing you for this moment for a long time. Perhaps you've noticed signs, small coincidences, or even dreams that seem to suggest something, but that you couldn't fully decipher. Now, those signs are starting to make sense. Your angels want you to know that this is not a random event. The arrival of this person is an opportunity, a second chance, or even a new door opening for you. But pay attention. How you react, what you say or do, will determine how this situation unfolds. It's important that you stay centered, listen to your intuition, and connect with what your heart truly desires. There's a very strong energy surrounding this encounter, something that could be transformative for both you and this person. It's as if something was left unfinished, and now you have the chance to resolve, heal, or even restart in a completely new way. Be attentive to the feelings that arise in you when this person appears. These feelings will be the key to understanding what's really at stake here. Allow yourself to feel and explore these emotions, even if they confuse you at first. Sometimes, our immediate reaction is to push away what makes us uncomfortable, but this is an opportunity for you to grow, to deepen, and perhaps even to heal old wounds. Your angels are with you throughout this process, guiding each step and each decision. This person who is about to reappear carries with them an intense emotional burden, and just the fact that you meet could awaken memories and feelings that have long been dormant. Sometimes, the past returns not to trap us, but to free us, to give us the chance to reframe stories that weren't well understood or to close chapters that were left open. What's interesting is that this reunion might not only be about the past. It could be about something you're experiencing now, something that needs to be seen from a new perspective. Perhaps this person has changed, evolved, and brings with them new truths, new intentions. Likewise, you have also changed, strengthened, and are ready to face this situation with a more mature and conscious outlook. But here's the crucial point. How you choose to react to this presence will be fundamental. Sometimes, the first reaction is to protect yourself, to create an emotional barrier, especially if this person caused any pain or disappointment in the past. However, your angels are saying that this moment is an opportunity for healing, both for you and for this person. There's a chance to release old hurts, to forgive, and to move forward, whether together or separately, but with a lightness that wasn't possible before. This reunion could be the beginning of a new phase, a phase where you finally free yourself from burdens you didn't even know you were still carrying. The important thing is that you remain open to what's coming, without being swayed by old expectations or fears that could obscure the clarity of the moment. Remember, you are not the same person you were before, and that's something powerful. You might feel a mix of emotions: joy, fear, curiosity, maybe even some anxiety. All of this is natural and part of the process. The secret is not to let these feelings dominate you, but to use them as tools to understand what's really happening inside you. Your angels are by your side to ensure that, no matter the outcome, you come out of this experience stronger, wiser, and at peace with yourself. Don't ignore the signs the universe is giving you, as they are precious guides on this path. It could be that a word, a phrase, or even a gesture from this person lights up something inside you, revealing something that was hidden, something that needs to be brought to light. Be attentive and trust in your growing intuition. There's something very important to remember. The power is in your hands. Even if this reunion seems beyond your control, the truth is that you have the power to choose how this situation will unfold. What you do with this opportunity is entirely your choice, and that's why it's so vital that you stay connected to yourself, to your heart, and to your truth. It may be tempting to relive the past, to try to rewrite what happened, but your angels advise you not to fall into that trap. What was, is done. Now, the focus should be on the present and how you can use this experience to build something new and positive in your life. This doesn't mean you should ignore past feelings, but rather, you should integrate them in a way that allows you to move forward, without clinging to old pains or expectations. Your angels also remind you to be gentle with yourself during this process. It's normal to feel a mix of conflicting emotions, and there's no harm in feeling vulnerable. Vulnerability, after all, is a sign that you are alive, that you care, and that you are willing to face whatever comes with courage and honesty. This person may be bringing with them not only old feelings but also new possibilities. Perhaps they have undergone transformations you are unaware of, and your reunion may open doors for sincere and revealing dialogues. Be open to listening, but also to speaking your truth. What you have to say is important, and now is the time to put it all out there, without fear, without hesitation. At the same time, it's essential that you keep your feet on the ground. As much as this situation stirs up a whirlwind of emotions within you, it's crucial that you remain anchored in reality, discerning between what is fantasy and what is fact. Your angels will be by your side, guiding you to make choices that resonate with your highest good and that promote peace and harmony in your life. This is a moment of great personal power, and how you choose to use that power will be crucial to the outcome of this story. Remember, you are the author of your own life, and this reunion is just another chapter that you have the power to write as you wish. As you prepare for this meeting, it's important to remember that everything you've experienced so far has brought you to this exact moment. Nothing has been in vain. Every experience, every challenge, every joy, and pain has contributed to making you the person you are today. And this person, full of wisdom and resilience, is ready to face whatever comes. Your angels want you to see this moment as an opportunity for healing. Healing of old wounds, of patterns you might not have even known you were still carrying. Sometimes, life offers us chances to grow and evolve in ways we didn't expect, and this is one of those moments. View this reunion as a chance to transform not only your relationship with this person, but also your relationship with yourself. You might realize that there are issues that need to be resolved within you before you can truly connect in a new and healthy way with this person. Perhaps there are hurts that still need to be released, fears that still need to be faced. And all of this is part of the healing process that this reunion is providing you. Allow yourself to feel, to cry, to laugh. Whatever emotion comes up, let it flow through you, knowing that it's all part of your spiritual growth. Be aware that even if this reunion doesn't result in what you expected, it is still bringing you a gift. The gift of clarity, of understanding, and most importantly, of closing cycles. Often, we don't need the answers we think we want. We just need closure, an inner peace that allows us to move forward with lightness and without regrets. Your angels encourage you to be brave and to keep your heart open. Yes, there's a chance that old feelings will resurface, but that doesn't mean you should get lost in them. Instead, use them as a compass, a guide that shows you where you still need to work on yourself. And remember, what you feel is valid and deserves to be honored. This is also a moment to practice forgiveness. Not only forgiveness for this person, but, most importantly, forgiveness for yourself. Forgive yourself for any past mistakes, for any harsh judgments you may have made about yourself. Forgive yourself for moments of weakness or doubt. Forgiveness is a powerful key that can unlock doors to a new life, full of peace and love. This reunion is a golden opportunity for you to free yourself from any unnecessary burdens you may still be carrying. See this as a chance to purify, to reconnect with your purest and truest essence. Your angels are by your side, offering you all the strength and courage you need to go through this experience with grace and wisdom. This reunion could be a turning point, not just for you, but also for this person who is reappearing in your life. Think about the possibilities this moment could bring. If life is offering you a new chance, how would you like to take advantage of it? This is an invitation for you to imagine yourself in a future where your deepest desires are coming true. What do you see? How do you feel? Who are the people and situations around you? Allow yourself to dream big, without fear of seeming idealistic or naive. Dreaming is the first step to manifesting the reality you want to live. Your angels encourage you not to place limits on your desires, but at the same time, to keep a solid foundation of realism and self-respect. Whatever happens in this reunion, remember that you deserve the best. This means that any decision you make should be guided by what is good for your growth, your well-being, and your inner peace. This person who is returning might be bringing with them a proposal, an offer of reconciliation, friendship, or even a new relationship. and the decision to accept or not is entirely yours. Be prepared to evaluate whether what is being offered is something that truly elevates you, that makes you feel loved and respected. Your angels will be by your side to help you discern what is true and what is illusion. Whatever the outcome of this reunion, it's important that you remember your worth. You don't have to accept less than you deserve, and you shouldn't feel pressured to make choices based on fear or insecurity. This is the moment to embrace your inner strength, to trust the wisdom you've gained throughout your journey, and to move forward with the certainty that what is meant for you will be yours. You might realize that this person is going through internal changes, that they are trying to approach you in a different, more mature and conscious way. And maybe this is exactly what you've been waiting for. However, it's also possible that you'll see that, as well-intentioned as this person may be, they're still not at the same level of understanding or readiness as you. And that's okay. The important thing is that you stay true to yourself, to what you know you need to be happy. This is a moment of deep self-awareness. As you navigate these emotional waters, it will be crucial that you keep asking yourself what really matters to you. What are your values? What are you not willing to compromise on? This reunion should not be seen as a test, but as an opportunity to reaffirm to yourself what is truly important. As you move forward in this reunion, there is a growing sense that something significant is unfolding. You might start to realize that this moment is not just about you and this person, but about something bigger, a lesson or a cycle that needs to be completed. Your angels want you to stay focused on this broader aspect, understanding that every step you take is aligned with a greater purpose. This purpose might be related to closing old cycles, healing old wounds, or even starting a new phase of life that you might not have anticipated. Either way, it's important that you keep an open mind to the possibilities and not hold on to what was. Allow yourself to explore new paths, new ways of relating, both with this person and with yourself. Pay close attention to how this person acts and what they express. Words can be very powerful, but actions speak even louder. Pay attention not just to what this person says, but to what they do. This will give you a clear vision of their true intentions and whether this connection deserves to be deepened or if it's time to move on. This is a moment of great clarity for you. The energy of this reunion is helping you see things as they really are, without the illusions or distortions that may have existed in the past. This clarity is a blessing, as it allows you to make decisions based on truth, not on hopes or unrealistic expectations. Trust in the vision that is being revealed to you, and use this clarity to guide your next steps. As difficult as it may be, there is great power in accepting reality as it is. This doesn't mean you should give up on your dreams or desires, but rather, that you should approach them from a place of authenticity and honesty with yourself. If this person is not ready to offer you what you deserve, then it may be time to make room for new energies, for new people who are aligned with who you've become. Maintain an attitude of self-love and self-compassion. Don't judge yourself for feeling what you feel, and don't pressure yourself to make immediate decisions. This reunion may require time and reflection for you to really understand what it means for your life journey. Give yourself the time you need to process everything that is happening and to integrate the lessons that are emerging. Also, remember that whatever happens from this point on, you will always have the support of your angels. They are guiding you, protecting you, and offering you the wisdom you need to navigate this situation with grace and dignity. Allow yourself to feel their support, knowing that you are not alone and that everything that is happening now is happening for your highest good. As this reunion unfolds, you may start to notice an internal transformation. Perhaps you feel an increase in your self-confidence, a sense of peace that wasn't there before, or even a clarity about what you really want in life. These are signs that you are on the right path, that you are growing and strengthening with each step. As this experience progresses, you may begin to realize that you are developing a new way of seeing life and your relationships. This reunion is not just a chance to resolve past issues, but also an opportunity to reinvent what the future can be. Your angels are guiding you to realize that, regardless of what happens, you have the power to shape your destiny. This sense of power can be liberating, but it can also bring with it a responsibility that you may not have experienced before. With the power of choice comes the responsibility to decide wisely, to act according to your deepest values, and not to let old patterns pull you back. Your angels encourage you to reflect on what you really want to create for yourself and to make decisions that align you with that vision. You may notice that you are developing a new capacity for discernment, to quickly understand what is beneficial for you and what is not. This ability is a gift from your angels, a tool that will help you not only in this reunion but in all areas of your life. Trust in this renewed intuition. It is guiding you in the right direction. This reunion may also lead you to reconsider certain beliefs or expectations you had about relationships, whether romantic, friendly, or familial. Perhaps you realize that some of these beliefs no longer serve who you have become. Maybe it's time to update your belief system, to make room for new ways of seeing the world and relating to the people around you. Your angels want you to know that everything you are feeling right now is part of a larger process of growth and transformation. The doubts, the uncertainties, and even the fears that may arise are normal and part of the journey. The important thing is that you don't let these feelings paralyze you, but rather use them as fuel to move forward with even more determination. As you connect more deeply with your truth, you'll begin to attract situations and people that are more aligned with who you truly are. This reunion may be just the beginning of a series of changes that will come into your life, all of them directed towards bringing you closer to a reality that resonates with your truest essence. Remember that you don't have to do everything alone. Your angels are here to help you, and you can also count on the support of people in your life who love you and want your well-being. This is a moment to surround yourself with positive energies, with people who uplift you, and with situations that make you feel more connected to the divine. You may find that you are starting to feel lighter, more at peace, as you let go of what no longer serves you. This lightness is a sign that you are on the right path, that you are freeing yourself from old burdens and opening yourself up to a new phase of life, full of possibilities and love. It's possible that you feel a strong desire to reassess your priorities, to question what really matters to you from now on. This is a clear sign that you are entering a new phase, where authenticity and inner truth will be your guides. What was important before may no longer hold as much weight, and new values may be emerging, asking to be recognized and integrated into your life. Take this moment to truly reconnect with your essence, with what makes your heart sing with joy and purpose. This is the time to let go of anything that's holding you back, any relationship, situation, or thought that is no longer in alignment with who you have become. It's a process of purification, where you can release the old to make space for the new. This reunion may have brought up intense emotions and memories, but it is also showing you how much you have grown. What may have hurt you in the past, today no longer has the same impact. This is a sign that you are stronger, more aware, and more capable of dealing with the challenges that life presents. The angels commend you for this journey of growth and for having the courage to face your shadows and illuminate them with the light of your consciousness. You may find that throughout this process, you need to make difficult decisions, like distancing yourself from people or situations that don't serve you. This may seem scary at first, but know that every decision you make in alignment with your truth is a step towards freedom and inner peace. This is a time to be courageous, to trust in yourself, and in the path that your angels are guiding you on. This is also a time for gratitude. Thank yourself for having the courage to face what needed to be faced. Thank your angels for always being by your side, guiding and protecting you. And if it feels right, thank this person who reappeared in your life, even if only to show you something you needed to see. Remember that every experience has the potential to teach us something valuable. If you look at this reunion through this lens, you'll see that it was a gift, even if it came wrapped in challenges. What you choose to do with this gift is what truly matters. Trust the process, trust yourself, and know that the universe is working in your favor, bringing into your life everything that is necessary for your growth and well-being. Allow your spirit to absorb these words and feel them resonate deeply within you. The universe wants the best for you and will ensure a positive outcome, no matter what your choice is. Type, I absorb, receive, and accept my destiny and all that the universe has to offer me. To claim this message and the blessings contained in it for yourself, leave a positive comment for other viewers who may need a boost of positivity in their day. The universe sees this as an act of kindness. Let's lift each other up and create waves of good energy together. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe now and stay tuned for the important message that awaits you in the next video. May God and the universe light your path with peace, love, and faith. Amen.